This is the monument to the revolution of the people of Moslavina, and it memorializes, in my opinion, some of the bravest human beings to have ever been born. During World War II, there was an army so brutal and barbaric that they even made the Nazis horrified by their actions. This army was called the Ustasha. The Ustasha was an organization in Croatia whose ideology was to create an ethnically pure Croatia, and in these thoughts they committed genocide on anyone but Croatians. In these attempts, they murdered hundreds of thousands of Serbs, Jews, and Roma of all ages in the most unimaginably brutal ways, as they did not have the industrialized extermination facilities their Nazi allies had. This is the monument to memorialize some of the bravest humans to have ever been born, the people who decided to rebel and revolt against the Ustasha. Thousands of people in this area of Croatia came together to organize a plan to overcome their oppressors during one of the darkest times in human history and in one of the darkest places man has ever created.
Oh, it's so freaking hot out. 25 degrees. This is the Rupnica Geosite. On October 14, 1948, it was declared the first natural heritage site of Croatia for its rhyolite columns. They look fake or man-made, but they are completely natural. There's nothing in English though. They are called, this style of rock formation, they're like honeycomb shaped. It's called columnar jointing. It's exactly the same as what's in Giant's Causeway in Ireland that I saw last summer. Exactly the same. Let's see if there's English on this side. Rupnica, the first geological monument in nature in Croatia. Yeah, since 1948, October 14. I wonder how they found it though. A magmatic complex with intensive columnar jointing. They're 82 million years old. No. Yeah, this guy took a sample of the accessory mineral zircon from the Rupnica rhyolite and based the concentration of the isotopes of uranium, lead, and thorium. What the fuck? Calculated its age, which is believed to be approximately 82 million years. That was the time when dinosaurs died out. So cool. Let me take a little hike up to see if we could see the honeycomb better from up top. One thing I noticed about Croatia right away is there's so many, I don't know the difference between salamanders, newts, what's the other one? That are little small reptile things. I don't know the difference between any of them. But they're all over here. I see them like, I don't know, every few minutes. Oh, see, there was just another one there. It's just right inside. Another one. Holy shit, what's that big ass bug right there? Woo! I've never seen a bug that big before. Oh, gross thing. Nothing in English. Oh, it's right there. What is that? No, that's not it. That's a different thing. What the heck is that? It's vibrating like crazy. These columns aren't as clear as the ones in Ireland, but it's still cool. It's pretty clear up there. Oh, it's kind of clear over here too. Whoa, look at that. The foundations of the trees are being washed out. It's just the bare roots showing, but they're still big, healthy trees. Look at that. Goodbye. Next stop. Oh, what a place. This is the Papuk, P-A-P-U-K, Nature Park, or the Jankovic Park. It's huge. It's a gargantuan park. It's protected by UNESCO, actually. So, I wanted to be here way earlier to see everything. I don't know how much I could see now. I got here like 2 hours late. But there's a whole bunch of stuff to see here, I think. I don't even know where to go. She gave me a map when I got here. Let's see. But it's all in Croatian, so I don't understand. Number 1. Where am I? I wonder how long the entire circuit takes. I should have asked. Seems like I'm the only one here. Other than the workers. Entirely in Croatian. Yeah, not a single thing in English. Oh, there's some people over there hiking. What? There's crab or a lobster in here? Or is that specifically saying don't throw lobsters in here? Okay, I am in the Papuk. Right here, the Nature Park Papuk. That's like a huge, huge area that I'm in right now. But the specific valley I'm in is the Jankovac. It's like, I think right in the middle, actually. Cool. Gecko, that's the word I was looking for earlier. Gecko, salamander, newt. I don't know the difference between all of them. Look at this place. Oh, salamanders everywhere. Freaking fantasy land. Right there. There was one, and then there was just another one there. They're literally everywhere. Another one up there running around. You could hear them. Another one. Jumpy little things. I wonder if they could hurt me. Probably not. Look how small it is. Ooh. After driving all day today, it's so nice to walk. I love driving, but sometimes, oh, so many. I love driving, but like when you're driving for so long, it's like, I need a break. I'm tired of this. It's not actually that bad when you're driving on a highway, but it's not highways here. They're like country roads, so you're like active, like turn, turn, turn. Slow down, speed up, slow down. And that's the part that gets like exhausting. But this, look at this freaking place. Gorgeous. Ooh, apparently there's a grave here. I wonder whose. Oh, that's Josip Jankovic, who the place is named after. He's laid to rest. Right here in his... Holy shit, I almost fell. I almost joined him. Wait, is it Yankovic like Weird Al, but with a J? There's a bat cave up here. Okay. Oh, this is as far as it goes. Oh, it keeps dripping on me. Look at that. Tons of calcium. I wonder if we're gonna see any wildlife. Actually, I wonder if there's any snakes here. I'm glad I didn't bring my sweater. I'm like dripping in sweat right now. Oh. Whew. What a beautiful place. Can you eat the salamander? I'm a vegetarian. I don't know what you carnivores eat. But can you eat them? It's so lush. I guess this is like actual freaking nature. Coming from a place where I grew up, where there's no trees, there's no friggin' greenery like this. This is so foreign to me. I mean, it's not foreign like I've never seen it before. It's more like foreign like it's abnormal in my imagination. When I imagine nature, I don't imagine this. These trees are so gargantuan. I wonder what kind of wood that is. Whoa! What kind of wood is that? Birch? Oak? Maple? What other kinds of trees are there? Ebony? Mahogany? There's boars here. I wonder if I'll get to see a boar. And if you carnivores eat boar, probably just tastes like less processed bacon. Right? Boar chops. Oh, I like this. Never been a nature guy myself, but this is pretty nice. If only I had a... what's a nature beer? Bud Light? If only I had a Bud Light on me right now. I can go this way for a 45-minute walk to Clack, or an hour-and-a-half walk to Slat Trenovac, or this way to Planinarski Dom. I truly have no idea what any of that means. Count's Educational Trail. Let's take that one. It's educational. Is it Count like Count Dracula? Can't be. Can you imagine just a couple hundred years ago, people would have to trek through this just to find a friggin' rabbit or something to eat? Really? Like, hey, look at that, a squirrel! How do you, like, you would get lost unless they somehow numbered each of the trees or something. So loud, these animals. I wish I could see a Bichelavrata muharika. Look at that. Sitka spruce. I'm really hoping to see an animal. I can't even see the birds. I could hear them. They're freaking... Oh, they're like deafening. It'd be freaking cool to see a woodpecker. Just goes down and down and down. I could hear a stream down there. I wonder if that stream is fresh water. Have myself a sip. There's a fence and some stuff over here. Oh, it's a freaking grave. I wonder whose. There's 3 of them. Whoa. No way that's natural. Can't be. Yeah, they were blowing glass here. That's my exact favorite color. Mostly sky. It's like turquoise with the tiniest bit more blue. Ooh, what the fuck, you bug? I wonder, do trees that don't flower need to be pollinated? Right? All of this green here is trees. Were they pollinated by bees? And I wonder, do trees that don't make fruit, where are their seeds? I've never heard a bird like that before. You hear that? This way to the Count's Educational Trail, but it's also the slap. Like, does it, like the slang, it slaps? Ooh, look at that tree. Look at that big boy. Juniper? The only thing I'm paranoid of is snakes. I've literally only ever seen one snake in my life. I've never even seen a frog before. I'd love to see a frog. Whoa! Oh my God! What the heck? I didn't know this was here. Cool. Wow. That is so awesome. Oh, it's gonna spritz me with water. Wow. This is so cool. Wow. So freaking cool. Look at that, there's like a vine here. You could friggin' swing off that. I wonder how far this trail goes. Like, I wonder if I could just keep going and I'll end up back at the parking. Or do I have to go all the way backwards? How did I not see the waterfall from the road while I was driving? All I know is, as a vegetarian, seeing all of this lush greenery, it's making my mouth water. Look at that. Bamboo. It was literally 5-minute walk, not even 3-minute walk. You could still hear the water. Osijek. My friggin' Airbnb guy is unresponsive. After one of the busiest days of my life, my Airbnb host just didn't respond. And I had to go and get a freaking hotel room for $150 a night. Bummer. I hope it's nice though. Oh, yes. It's worth it. Ooh, look at this shower. I'm going to experience that right now.